Now, this business model has exploded lately, and honestly, it's because it lets anyone build an online income without starting from scratch. But the moment people hear things like RR, MRR, and PLR, the brain goes, wait, what does all that even mean? Don't worry, I got you. Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, funny story, Juliet Raymond is super busy right now running Royal Wealth Academy, helping people build digital empires, managing students, creating bundles, courses, you name it. But she didn't want you to miss out on this super valuable topic, so she sent me, her assistant, to deliver the message today. So sit back, grab your notebook, and let's dive right in. Oh, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment or any questions below for Juliet to answer personally when she's back. All right, today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting topics in the digital business world, digital products with resale rights. Now, this business model has exploded lately, and honestly, it's because it lets anyone build an online income without starting from scratch. But the moment people hear things like RR, MRR, and PLR, the brain goes, wait, what does all that even mean? Don't worry, I got you. Let's break it down. Let's start with resale rights, RR for short. This means you can sell the product to your customers, but they can't sell it to anyone else. So if someone buys your ebook, planner, or guide, they can read it, use it, love it, but the chain stops there. Simple, right? Now let's level up. Master resale rights, or MRR, is where the magic happens. With MRR, not only can you sell the product, but you can also pass on the resale rights to your customers. That means they can sell it to their audience and make money too. This creates a viral loop, one product that keeps circulating and making money over and over again. That's the business model behind a lot of those business-in-a-box offers you see online. Now we've arrived at the VIP section, private label rights, or PLR. PLR gives you full creative control. You can edit it, rebrand it, add your name, redesign the cover, even combine it with other content to create your own original product. It's like buying the script to a movie, rewriting a few scenes, and releasing your own version. But here's your friendly warning. Always check the license agreement. Not all PLR products give you the same level of freedom. Some let you edit everything, while others are more restrictive. So, how do you create your own product with resale rights? Step 1. Clarity. Write a simple license that explains what your buyers can and can't do. Can they resell it? Edit it? Change the price? Give it away for free? Spell it out clearly. Step 2. Organization. Package your files neatly in one zip folder. Include your product in multiple formats if possible, like PDF plus GoodNotes, your license document, and a quick README guide with setup instructions. Step 3. Add marketing value. Include product mockups, promotional graphics, and even sample captions or sales copy. That instantly turns your offer into a true business in a box and helps your buyers hit the ground running. Now, how do you deliver it safely? Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or WooCommerce are perfect for that. They automatically send unique, time-limited download links when someone makes a purchase, so your product stays protected and you don't have to manually send anything. Automation is your best friend in the digital world. So there you have it, the 3 key types of resale rights: RR, MRR, and PLR. When you understand them, package your product the right way, and automate your delivery, you've got a scalable business model that can generate income for years to come. This is exactly what Juliet teaches inside Royal Wealth Academy: how to build, brand, and sell digital products that create freedom, flexibility, and long-term wealth. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe, tap that like button, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget, drop your questions below for Juliet to answer when she's back. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and remember, your digital empire starts with one idea.